What up? I'm Josh Paulison, and welcome to my programming vlog. Today I want to talk about how you can add on attributes, how you can add on functionality to DOM elements that isn't available by default. I didn't realize that this actually has a term. It's called Expando. And the reason why I'm interested in this for Showpony is because I can actually end up attaching the Showpony object to a DOM element. So what I've got right now is that if I go to document.getElementById vn, which if I go over to here, you can see that vn is the containing element for the Showpony object. I can actually add an attribute onto Showpony. I can add an attribute onto the element that's called Showpony, and that will link us to the actual Showpony JavaScript object. Now I'm trying to figure out if that really ought to be on the element out here. Here's where it gets kind of tricky to me because there's this containing element, but then there's the element inside that actually contains the Showpony. And this is called the window according to the Showpony object, but this container is existing before we end up getting access to this. So it's a lot easier to to create a link to this using an ID than to this, because this, we create this, the person using Showpony creates, and this is created by Showpony, and so they won't immediately have an ID or clear access to. But that's how Expando works. You can just add on anything to any HTML element. For some reason I thought that it wasn't working for me in the past, but I guess that I was just doing something wrong. So depending on what you're doing, this can be a really cool way to Expando your opportunities and to make sure that people have access to your objects and your variables when they need them.